Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on around the area as we begin our Martin Luther King Day here in Rowan County. 30 degrees to start the day off at the Mid-Carolina Airport, 30 degrees here at the Weather Center in Atwell as well. You can see temperatures anywhere from the low 20s to really around the mid 30s around the area. The cold spot on the map coming in at Boone, 23 degrees. They've got some snow getting ready to cross over the Tennessee border. That's going to give some snow showers up there to the mountains and the high country today. And then as you look to the warm spots on the map, they're really off toward the sand hills at 34 degrees in a couple of places, and then out toward Hickory and Lincoln's in there. We've got some 34s and then a 36 as well right there, looking like in Burke County. So we'll continue to keep an eye on temperatures as we go through the day today. We'll warm up to the upper 30s today with some sunshine that'll give us the ability to get some melt going on today and get those roads cleared off. But as we get to the evening hours, we drop down to the upper teens and we'll get a refreeze again tonight. So anything that's wet that's laying on the road after sunset is going to just freeze right back up. Let's take a look at where our storm system is that came through yesterday. Up in the northeast, dumping a lot of snow out across the southern portions or the southeast portions of Canada. There's some freezing rain and sleet going on along the northeast coast of the United States, and then some snow wrapping around coming off the Great Lakes, dropping back down into Pittsburgh and into West Virginia and locations like that. And then a few pieces of that energy breaking containment, coming down into Kentucky and Tennessee. And like I said, the mountains are going to see a little bit of snowfall as we go through the day today in the higher elevations. Now let's go ahead and take a look at where our next system is going to come in. I'm going to turn on some drawing tools here. So we're going to see a low that will actually, well, let me get that back on. It didn't come on for me. We're going to see a low that will actually develop sometime on Tuesday morning right in this area right here. And it's going to make its way across the country. And as it gets close to the Gulf, it's going to start pulling in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and bringing it into this. And it'll give us some rain chances during the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday. We could see a few isolated showers make their way in late Wednesday evening, but most of the rain will come through during the overnight hours and during the morning hours, probably early afternoon on Thursday for us. And it'll be all rain with this particular system. Now, let me clear these out, and we're going to talk about another system that's going to develop on really early Thursday, and it's going to develop right around where this high pressure is. There's going to be a piece of energy that's going to make its way in off the northwest coast of the country and make its way across, and there'll be a low that'll develop somewhere in this area early Thursday, and the low is going to start to track a little to the south and make its way across toward the Gulf. And then this piece of energy, which unfortunately is not very organized, will continue to try to make its way across the country as well. That's giving us the possibility of snow on Friday. I'm not too enthused about it at the moment in terms of looking at the data that's out there. Now, remember, these two things still have to develop and make their way here. They don't even exist at this point. So it's much like our last storm. You could see some models and some weather apps and different things out there that are going to hype up this thing on Friday. But keep in mind, just like this one, this last one we just dealt with, those same pages, apps, whatever you want to call them, those folks were saying we were going to get 8 to 12 inches of snow last week at this time. And what do we end up getting? We ended up getting much less than that. So again, just keep that in mind as we go through the upcoming days, because as of right now, Friday's not looking too promising for the snow, because there's still a lot that has to work out, and the moisture just doesn't look like it's there, to be quite honest with you. The low is going to track a little bit too far to the south as well, so it looks like it may just bring rain to the folks south of us, and we may not get anything at all here. We're going to continue to keep an eye on it though, because there's still several days for this thing to develop and make its way, first of all, develop and then make its way across the country. Both of them have to be in perfect timing for it to happen. If the low develops too early and gets out ahead of the energy, we don't get anything. If the energy doesn't develop at all, we don't get anything. So lots of stuff has to happen here over the next couple of days for it to play its way out. The one sure bet we've got is as of right now, it looks like we're going to see some rain during the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday, and we'll see that rain move out. And then sometime during the day on Friday, we could see some snow showers, but again, it's not a sure bet at this point. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back and give you the 5-day forecast and more right after this. Weather impacts for today, mostly sunny skies during the day. Winds will be out of the west at around 10 to 15 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 25 miles an hour. Mostly clear skies this evening. The weather impacts are sponsored by Patterson Farm. The 2022 all-season passes are on sale now. You saw all the details for that during the break. For more information, visit pattersonfarm.com/all-season-pass to get all the details. And you can use promo code all-season to save $20 off of those all-season passes, and that code's valid through January the 31st. Let's go ahead and turn this off now. We'll take a look at the 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Partly sunny skies today, high of 38 degrees. Mostly clear skies this evening with a low of 19 degrees. On Tuesday, sunny skies, high of 42. Mostly clear skies Tuesday evening, low of 24. As we head to Wednesday, partly sunny skies, high of 49 degrees. Increasing cloudiness as we go through the afternoon and evening hours with a low of 35. I do have a 20% chance of an isolated shower, maybe making its way through the county late Wednesday. But most of that rainfall is going to come in during the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday, and during the daytime and early afternoon on Thursday. 80% chance of rain Thursday, high of 44. Mostly cloudy skies Thursday evening with a low of 20. And then on Friday, I do have a 40% chance of snow in there right now. If it happens, it's likely going to be flurries at this point. Like I said, there's not too much going on that's very promising for this system as of this point. It's still got to develop. A lot of things still have to work themselves out. It's very possible we take snow completely out of the forecast between now and Friday. I would not get too excited about it yet, as there's still a lot that has to happen for it to make its way into the area and into the county. And as of right now, it's not looking like a sure bet. On Friday evening, we'll see a low of 17 degrees. Again, we can see some snow flurries out there. We'll continue to keep you updated on that as we go through the upcoming week. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Monday. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.